Today I will be showing you how to change the background in Card. There are two easy ways to access the background settings. The first way is to click anywhere on the background area of your card. This will immediately open the background options. The second way is by clicking the hamburger menu, usually found in one corner of the screen. From the menu, select the option labeled Background. Both methods will bring you to the same background customization panel. Once you're in the background settings, browse through the available designs and pick the background style that you want to use. You can preview different options to see how they look before deciding. After choosing your preferred background design, click Done to apply the changes. Your card will now display the updated background. And that's how you change the background in Card. Thank you for watching.